Hello everyone, this is Vivekanand Pandey, Taxila Academy, PGT Physics. Today I am going to discuss graph between electric field intensity and distance. Okay, and second one, electric dipole and electric dipole moment, and third one, electric field intensity due to electric dipole on axial position. The first, graph between electric field intensity. In last video, I have discussed what is electric field intensity. We know that electric field intensity may be defined as force acts per unit test charge. पर यूनिट टेस्ट चार्ज पर जो फोर्स एक्ट करता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट k q by r square. So the graph between the electric field intensity and r square. If we draw the graph E and R square, then graph, if we draw E on this axis and R square on this axis, then graph of this will be in this form. It is very important graph. And second one, the graph between E and 1 by R square. It always should be a straight line. If E is here and 1 by R square is here, means if the graph between E and R square, then graph is in this form. If graph between E and 1 by R square, then graph in straight line. It is straight line. Straight line. Dear student, it is very important for your competitive exam. And now, second topic, that is electric dipole and dipole moment. Next, what is electric dipole? If we go the meaning of dipole, di means two and pole means pole. Factor in which lies there are two poles, that is known as dipole. And what is electric dipole? Means second one, electric dipole. Electric dipole. Dipole. What is electric dipole? It is the combination of. It is combination of. It is combination of two equal and opposite charge. Opposite charge and charges are separated some distances. Means इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल दो इक्वल और अपोजिट चार्ज वाले का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है और जो एक दूसरे से कुछ डिस्टेंस पर होते हैं. सपोज HCl is the electric dipole. Why? Because H has positive charge and chlorine has negative charge. Same as NaCl is also electric dipole because sodium has positive charge and chlorine has same negative charge. So this is the example of electric dipole. And what is electric dipole moment? Next one, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. The symbol of electric dipole moment is P. P. And it is vector quantity. It is vector quantity. And what is electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment is the product of magnitude of one charge and distance between them. दो इक्वल और अपोजिट चार्ज में से एक चार्ज और उनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है, दोनों के प्रोडक्ट को इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल मोमेंट बोला जाता है. मींस इफ P equal to magnitude of one charge, that should be Q, and distance between them means that is 2L. It always consider as 2L, means distance between the dipole is always should be 2L. So P equal to Q into 2L. So we can say electric dipole P equal to 2QL. It is the electric dipole moment. And next one. And electric dipole moment P equal to 2QL. And P is vector quantity, I have already discussed. And direction of P, direction of electric dipole moment, it remembers always negative charge to positive charge. This is important point. Means the direction of the electric dipole moment is always negative charge to positive charge. Clear? And next one, last topic of the today's lecture, that is electric field intensity due to electric dipole on axial position. This is very important for a board exam. So next one, electric field intensity due to dipole on axial position. So dear student, first we will consider electric dipole. Electric dipole means it is the combination of two equal and opposite charge. So this is minus charge and it is negative charge and it is positive charge. This is minus Q and plus Q, and I have already discussed the distance between the minus Q and plus Q is always 2L. And the center of the dipole, that is O. And you remember always the distance always taken from the middle position of the dipole. And there is another point, that is P, and the distance between the center of the dipole and point P is R. Let us consider. And electric field intensity for plus Q is always in outward, and electric field intensity for negative Q always in inward. So we can say the distance between the P and plus Q, the distance between the P and plus Q, that is R minus L, and the distance between the plus Q and P, that is R plus L. These are the figure, and the charge put on the any medium or permittivity of free space. Okay, so this is the figure. Again, it is electric dipole which make minus Q and plus Q, and the distance between the charges, that is 2L, and the center of the dipole, that is O, and the distance between the point O and point P, that is R, and exactly distance between the plus Q and point P, that is R minus L. Why? Because the distance is R from O to P, and we have to consider the distance from plus Q to P. So it should R minus L, and the distance between P and minus Q, it should R plus L. Understand? Okay. Next, we will find the electric field intensity due to plus Q charge. Okay. So we have to write electric field intensity. Electric field intensity due to plus Q charge, that is E1, and we know that electric field intensity due to point charge, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So E1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. What is R here? The distance between the plus Q charge and point P. So we can write it will be R minus L, and from this formula it R minus L ka whole square. Okay. And next, electric field intensity due to minus Q charge. So E2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L whole square. Why? Because distance, we have taken the distance between the minus Q and point P. Here the distance between O and P, that is R, and here the distance is L. So total distance between P and minus Q, that will be R plus L. Okay. So resultant of the electric field intensity, that will be equal to E1 plus E2. Okay. But we know the vector property. If the two vectors in opposite direction, then the resultant should be in negative form. Means हम उसको subtract करके उसको निकालते हैं, उसका जो resultant होता है. So we put the value of E1, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L whole square. Clear? And common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. So we can write 1 by R minus L whole square and minus 1 by R plus L whole square. Okay. Clear? And after solving, q by 4 pi epsilon naught, we can write r plus l whole square minus of r minus l whole square, and divided by multiply of both, that will be r minus l whole square का whole square, and we can write q by 4 pi epsilon naught a square plus b square plus 2ab, and minus of a square plus b square, no, minus r square minus l square plus 2rl, okay, and divided by r square minus l square whole square. And after solving, we can get q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this one and this one cancel out, 2rl equal to 4rl, and divided by r square minus l square whole square. We consider in this expression l square is very less than r square. L square is very less than r square, so we can leave this term. So we can write q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4rl divided by r ka power 4, okay, and one power from this power is cancelled out, so we can write q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4l by r cube, okay, so we can write this, that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and 4l is equal to 2 into 2l divided by r cube, and we know that p equal to 2ql, so we can write 2ql equal to p. So above expression will be in this form: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. This is your expression in axial position. Once again, and what is the direction of electric field intensity in this case? Because we know that the direction of electric dipole always negative to positive, and the direction of magnitude of electric field always in this direction. So we can say the direction of electric field intensity in this case is negative charge to positive charge. It also important point. Thank you.